Hi all. Today we're in Discord and we're taking a look at how to set up your audio settings. Let's get into it. So to start off, you do want to be inside of Discord. We will come down to the bottom left into user settings. Once here, you want to come down to voice and video. Now that we're in voice and video, we can go ahead and select how we want to set up our audio settings. So for input device is going to be your microphone. If you have multiple microphones, you can select which one you would like to use. Output device is going to be either your speakers or your headphones, whatever you are using. Make sure you do have the correct device selected. You can then play around with your volume, so if people in your Discord chat are saying, hey, you sound pretty quiet, you can go ahead and change that input volume to make yourself louder. And you can also do it for output volumes. If you're noticing everyone else is quiet and you need them louder in your headset or your speakers, you can go ahead and change that output volume. From there, you can also test your microphone. So you can give it some tests, you can talk into it and then stop testing, and then it'll allow you to play that back to yourself. Scrolling down, you do have options like voice processing. You can use the built-in Discord features to help your mic sound a bit better. If people are saying you're coming through staticky or there's an echo, you can play around with these different settings and see which one helps you sound a bit better. There are additionally more options that you can select just to make your audio sound better or make your audio pick up a little quicker and just give you an overall better experience. So let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.